Hi everyone, welcome back to Fired Up on Cooking. And after about a year, I finally stepped it up in front of the camera to share the real heart and soul of the Southwest for you. I have spent this break perfecting the flavors I love, smoky, bold, and always fresh. And today, we're starting with a recipe that defines this channel, the ultimate roasted red salsa. We're getting the perfect char on these peppers and showing you the secret to a deep, authentic flavor that you can't get in a store. Are you ready? Let's get fired up. It'll take about 15 minutes for these babies to get roasted and charred and black like we want it. Now about halfway through the process, you want to flip them and then also check the garlic and make sure they don't burn. All right, so let's get started. Oh my gosh. Just look at that. Just hear it, smell it. Sounds wonderful. Okay, now we're going to cut some of this up and put it in a food processor. We're not going to over process it. We're going to leave it chunky. At least that's the way I like it. And you can peel the skin off. You can leave the skin on. Some people like it on. Some people like it off. I tend to like half and half. I'll peel off some of this. Be careful, it's hot. You can cut it in half. Kind of toss it in there. That's going right in. I'm taking seeds and all going in. This will have a lot of seeds in it. And it's up to you, you're going to take it out or not. I'm just leaving the whole thing as is. Why not? Onions? Let's just throw them in there. Well, no, let's not. Let's bust it up some. Okay. All right, let's give this a whirl. Okay. See how that looks. You already smell that. Let's taste it. See what it means. Definitely needs salt. And I like cilantro. So let's chop that up. Okay, some salt. Put some cilantro in there. I like lime. Oh, close enough. Going over to it. Don't worry, I'll wash this one. That's good. Let's pour this in a container. Okay, so let's give this salsa a taste test. Yes, I put it on molcajete for show, obviously, but I would have loved to actually make it in this. It's much better, gives a deeper flavor, I think. And I think next time I'm gonna buy a deeper molcajete. So let's let's try this out. You gotta try this. This is good. Please leave a comment in the description below whether you like smooth salsa or chunky salsa. Mine's in the middle, so I'm half and half. Anyway, please let me know. I'll respond to your comments as soon as I can. And thank you again, and welcome back.